Looking at the graph of journalists in terms of number in Karbi Anglong district could be seen increasing within the last few years. Hence, keeping the citizens updated with the current affairs every day. Therefore, to mark the presence of the free and responsible press in district, various press clubs from various constituencies celebrated National Press Day on 16th of November. Likewise, District Press Club of Karbi Anglong observed National Press Day at Longmirjeng Stage, Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. Digonto Teron, President of District Press Club of Karbi Anglong, hoisted the official flag of District Press Club during an early hour of the day. It was followed by paying homage to the departed souls and was led by Daniel Sonbe, Vice President of District Press Club of Karbi Anglong. The celebration was chaired by Digonto Teron, President, and the objective of the meeting and introductions of the guests was briefed by Daniel Sonbe, Vice President, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Horen Singh Be MP, Dorsing Ronghang MLA, Rup Singh Teron MLA, EMs MAC, DC of Karbi Anglong, SP of Karbi Anglong attended as the guests of the event. Senior journalists and staff from media fraternity attend the event to grace the occasion. Also under the initiative of Diphu Press Club, National Press Day was observed at Langkung Habe Auditorium Hall on 16th of November. Borsing Rongpar, President of Diphu Press Club, chaired the occasions and took the honor to brief the objective of the meeting and introduction to the guests of the event. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Horen Singh Be MP, Dorsing Ronghang MLA, Rup Singh Teron MLA, EM, MACs and several important dignitaries of the media fraternity attended the event. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.